Just a short meditation. Feel relaxed. Smile. Visualize your smiling face. Visualize clearly. If you smile, then you can immediately visualize your smiling face and project the thoughts of Metta, loving kindness. May I be peaceful and happy. May I be free from harm and danger, fear and worries. Sickness and problems. May I enjoy good health and peace of mind, happiness and inner freedom. Fill up your heart with loving kindness. Feel your love, joy throughout your body. May I be peaceful and happy. Now spread your love, share your love with your family members. Visualize the smiling faces of all your family members. And wish, may all my family members be peaceful and happy. May they be free from harm and danger, fears and worries, sickness and problems. May all my family members enjoy good health, peace of mind, and grow in wisdom and compassion. Feel that your love is flowing and touching everybody. Spread your love throughout your area, surrounding your house where you are living, the other neighbors in that whole area. Spread your loving kindness. May all people living in this area be peaceful and happy. Nobody wants harm. Nobody wants pain. May these people enjoy good health, happiness, and grow in wisdom and compassion. May they not harm others. May others not harm these people. May they be happy. And spread your love now to whole of your city. Wherever you are living, whole of your city, thousands of people, maybe hundreds of thousands of people. lakhs and crores of people. It's a great privilege that we can share our love, compassion to all these people. May they all be peaceful and happy. Keep on expanding to your state, province, and then to whole of your country. May all people in our country be peaceful and happy. Shower your compassionate love, touching everybody. Forget all discriminations, any kind of race or religion, color or age, status or power. Forget all those things. All people in my country be peaceful and happy. Now expand it to whole earth. Cover this earth with your love, your heart full of love. 7 billion people, 700 crore people. May all of them be peaceful and happy. Those who are in sickness, may they have peaceful mind, wisdom mind, to live peacefully in this pain and sickness. And may they come out of this sickness. Those who are hungry, may their minds be calm and may they be free from hunger. May they get enough food. Those who are in fear and worries and anxieties, may they be free from these anxieties and fear. May all people on this earth enjoy happiness. Such wonderful experience and great privilege, great chance, great opportunity to share love. This beautiful earth has not just human beings, so many creatures, so many living beings, countless beings in water, invisible beings, small beings, medium size, big size, huge. All beings in water, all beings on land, all beings in air. May all beings be happy. Spread your love throughout the universe. All beings in the universe, hellish beings or animal beings, ghostly beings or demonic beings, human beings or divine beings, highly evolved divine beings. Throughout this universe, may all beings be happy and be peaceful. I share my love with all beings. I share my merits with all beings. May all be happy. Bahum sahasamabhinimita sayudantam Giri mekhalang udita ghora Sasenamaram Dhanadi Dhamma Vidhina Jitava Munindo Tante Jasa Bhavatu Te Jaya Mangalani Sadhu Sadhu